In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and edit a campaign email using Mailchimp to ensure you can communicate effectively with your audience. Whether you're managing a small business or engaging with a community group, mastering the use of Mailchimp can be a game changer in maintaining strong connections with your subscribers. So let's dive right in and get started. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Mailchimp's website. If you're not already familiar, Mailchimp is a marketing platform that allows you to manage your email communications, create campaigns, and analyze the impact of those campaigns, all in one place. Once on their site, you'll log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward and worth the time investment. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to find and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all the magic happens in terms of crafting those amazing emails your subscribers will receive. Once you're in the Campaigns section, spend a moment to locate the particular email campaign that you wish to edit. This could be one you've already started, or perhaps one you just need to tweak to tailor your message or refresh your content. After selecting your desired email to edit, you'll enter the email editor interface. If you're familiar with drag and drop functionality, you'll feel right at home here. Under the blank layout section, you'll see numbers alongside corresponding table icons. These elements are your building blocks. Simply click on the ones that best suit your design needs and drag them into your email template. The beauty of this tool lies in its flexibility and ease of use, allowing you to customize the layout to your liking, ensuring your email looks professional and polished. Be sure to explore different layout combinations and have fun with it. This is your opportunity to inject personality and brand spirit into your communications. Remember to preview your email to ensure everything looks just right for both desktop and mobile views. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully edited your email campaign, keeping your audience updated and engaged. Before you wrap it up, ensure that you save your work and schedule or send it out to your intended recipients. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is consistency and relevance. Tailor your emails to your audience's interests and maintain a regular schedule so they know when to expect your newsletters or promotions. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide simple and helpful. Be sure to utilize these steps every time you need to work on your Mailchimp campaigns, and watch how your communication efforts can lead to new opportunities and stronger connections. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides on improving your digital marketing skills.